What's up, YouTube? This is the D-Nix channel. Thanks for stopping by my channel. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to import Analog Lab banks. Before we get started, please like and subscribe so you will get notifications when I post new videos. I'm using FL Studio, but the same method applies for any DAW. With my FL Studio opened on the channel rack, click on the plus button and go to Analog Lab 5. Wait for Analog Lab 5 to load. Click on the line column on the top left. Click on Import. Navigate to the folder where your Analog Lab banks are. We're looking for the Lab X file. Click on the Summer Nights bank. Click Open, and the Summer Nights bank has been successfully imported. Click on OK. OK, follow my cursor and click in this section. Go to Sound Banks, and you can see the Summer Nights bank. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. More tutorials to come. Keep it locked.